Bad eating habits can be more than just a fleeting indulgence. They can trigger a chain reaction that impacts various aspects of our health. What starts as an occasional treat can quickly become a regular part of our diet, leading to a series of negative health outcomes. Regularly consuming excessive amounts of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats can lead to a cascade of negative consequences, affecting everything from our energy levels and mood to our risk of developing chronic diseases. These foods are often high in calories but low in essential nutrients, which means they can fill us up without providing the vitamins and minerals our bodies need to function properly. Think of it like a domino effect, where one bad habit knocks down another, eventually leading to a compromised state of well-being. For instance, a diet high in sugar can lead to weight gain, which in turn increases the risk of developing conditions like diabetes and heart disease. It's crucial to recognize the interconnectedness of our dietary choices and their long-term effects. Every meal we eat is an opportunity to either nourish our bodies or contribute to a cycle of poor health. When we consistently fuel our bodies with unhealthy foods, we deprive ourselves of essential nutrients that are vital for optimal functioning. This can lead to deficiencies in important vitamins and minerals, which can have a range of negative effects on our health. This nutritional deficiency can manifest in various ways, such as decreased energy levels, weakened immunity, and impaired cognitive function. Over time, these issues can compound, making it harder to break free from the cycle of poor health. Furthermore, bad eating habits can contribute to weight gain, which further increases the risk of developing serious health conditions like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain types of cancer. Excess weight can also put additional strain on our joints and muscles, leading to chronic pain and mobility issues. Breaking free from these unhealthy patterns is not just about aesthetics. It's about safeguarding our health and ensuring a vibrant future. Adopting healthier eating habits can help us maintain a healthy weight, reduce our risk of chronic diseases, and improve our overall quality of life. The good news is that we have the power to reverse this domino effect by making conscious choices to adopt healthier eating habits. Small changes like choosing whole foods over processed ones can make a big difference over time. By understanding the impact of our dietary choices and taking proactive steps to improve them, we can regain control of our health and well-being. Educating ourselves about nutrition and seeking support from others can help us stay motivated and on track. This journey towards a healthier lifestyle may seem daunting at first, but with the right knowledge and strategies, it can be an empowering and rewarding experience. Surrounding ourselves with supportive people and resources can make the transition easier and more enjoyable. We can start by acknowledging the detrimental effects of bad eating habits and committing to making positive changes. Setting realistic goals and celebrating small victories along the way can help us stay motivated and focused. Just as bad habits can create a negative spiral, good habits can build a positive momentum towards a healthier and more fulfilling life. Incorporating regular physical activity and making mindful food choices can help us create a sustainable and enjoyable healthy lifestyle. By replacing unhealthy choices with nutritious alternatives, we can gradually transform our relationship with food and experience the numerous benefits that come with nourishing our bodies properly. This can include improved digestion, better skin health, and a stronger immune system. Increased energy, improved mood, better sleep, and a reduced risk of chronic diseases are just some of the rewards that await us on this journey. These benefits can enhance our daily lives and help us feel our best. It's time to break the cycle of bad eating habits and embrace a healthier way of living. By making mindful choices and prioritizing our health, we can create a brighter and more vibrant future for ourselves and our loved ones. Making healthier food choices is not just about fitting into your favorite genes. It's about investing in your overall well-being and setting the stage for a longer, healthier life. When you choose nutritious foods, you're making a commitment to your future self. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports longevity and vitality. The benefits of healthier choices extend far beyond the physical. They touch every aspect of your life, from your mental clarity to your emotional stability. What you eat directly impacts your energy levels, mood, sleep quality, and even your ability to focus and think clearly. Imagine waking up each day feeling refreshed and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. all because you've fueled your body with the right nutrients. Nourishing your body with wholesome foods provides the fuel it needs to function optimally, allowing you to perform at your best in all aspects of your life. Whether you're an athlete, a busy professional, or a parent, the right diet can make a world of difference. Think of your body as a high-performance machine. It requires premium fuel to run smoothly. Just as you wouldn't put low-quality fuel in a sports car, you shouldn't fill your body with junk food. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provides a wide array of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that protect your body against disease and support its natural healing processes. These foods are nature's medicine, offering protection and healing. These nutrients act as building blocks for strong bones, healthy muscles, and a robust immune system, helping you ward off illness and maintain optimal health. They are the foundation of a resilient body that can withstand the challenges of daily life. By making healthier choices, you're not just feeding your body, you're empowering it to thrive. You're giving yourself the tools to live a vibrant, energetic life. Furthermore, healthier eating habits can have a profound impact on your mental health. The mind and body are deeply connected, and what you eat can influence your mental state. Studies have shown a strong correlation between diet and mood, with certain nutrients playing a crucial role in regulating brain function and promoting emotional well-being. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, for example, are known to support brain health. A balanced diet can help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, improve cognitive function, and enhance overall mental clarity. When your brain is well nourished, you can think more clearly and handle stress more effectively. By nourishing your body, you're also nurturing your mind. The benefits of a healthy diet are holistic, touching every part of your being. Beyond the immediate benefits, healthier eating habits are an investment in your future health. The choices you make today will shape your health in the years to come. By reducing your risk of developing chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer, you're taking proactive steps to ensure a healthier future. You're increasing your chances of living a longer, healthier, and more fulfilling life. Imagine enjoying your golden years with vitality and joy, all because you made the right choices earlier in life. Making healthier choices today is a gift you give to your future self. It's an act of self-love and foresight, ensuring that you can enjoy life to the fullest for many years to come. Recognizing your unhealthy eating patterns is the first step towards making positive changes. It's a journey of self-discovery that requires patience and honesty. It's important to be honest with yourself and identify the specific habits that are hindering your progress towards a healthier lifestyle. This means taking a closer look at your daily routines and the choices you make. Do you frequently skip meals only to overeat later? Skipping breakfast, for instance, can lead to consuming larger portions at night, disrupting your body's natural rhythm. Do you tend to reach for processed snacks and sugary drinks when you're feeling stressed or bored? These quick fixes might provide temporary comfort, but can have long-term negative effects on your health. Pinpointing these triggers and patterns is crucial for breaking the cycle of unhealthy eating. Understanding what drives your choices can help you develop better strategies. Start by keeping a food journal or using a food tracking app to monitor your daily intake. Documenting everything you eat and drink can reveal surprising patterns. This will provide valuable insights into your eating habits and help you identify areas where you can make improvements. Reviewing your journal regularly can highlight trends you might not have noticed otherwise. Pay attention to not only what you eat, but also when and why you eat. Timing and emotional state can significantly influence your eating habits. Are you eating out of genuine hunger, or are there emotional factors at play? Emotional eating can be a response to stress, loneliness, or boredom. Understanding the underlying reasons behind your food choices can be a powerful tool for change. It allows you to address the root causes rather than just the symptoms. Once you've identified your unhealthy eating patterns, try to categorize them. This can help you see the bigger picture and prioritize which habits to tackle first. Are you consuming too much processed food? Processed foods often contain hidden sugars, unhealthy fats, and preservatives that can derail your health goals. Are you neglecting fruits and vegetables? These are essential for providing the vitamins, minerals, and fiber your body needs. Are you drinking too many sugary beverages? These drinks can add a significant amount of empty calories to your diet. Categorizing your habits can help you develop targeted strategies for improvement. For example, if you notice a pattern of late-night snacking, you can plan healthier alternatives. For example, if you realize you're consuming too much processed food, you can focus on incorporating more whole grains, fruits and vegetables into your diet. Small changes can lead to significant improvements over time. Remember, recognizing your unhealthy eating patterns is not about self-criticism. It's about self-awareness. It's a compassionate approach to understanding yourself better. It's about gaining a deeper understanding of your relationship with food so you can make conscious choices that support your health and well-being. This journey is about progress, not perfection. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. Each positive change, no matter how small, is a step towards a healthier you. Every step you take towards healthier eating is a step in the right direction. Embrace the journey and acknowledge your efforts. Breaking free from bad eating habits requires a conscious effort and a commitment to making sustainable changes. It's not about depriving yourself or following restrictive diets. It's about creating a healthier relationship with food and developing habits that nourish your body and mind. Start by setting realistic goals and focusing on making small, incremental changes that you can maintain over time. Instead of trying to overhaul your entire diet overnight, focus on one habit at a time. One effective strategy is to gradually replace unhealthy choices with healthier alternatives. For example, if you're accustomed to drinking sugary sodas, try switching to sparkling water with a squeeze of lemon or lime. If you tend to snack on processed chips, opt for a handful of nuts or a piece of fruit instead. These small substitutions can make a big difference over time. Another important aspect of breaking free from bad habits is to manage your environment. Remove tempting, unhealthy foods from your pantry and refrigerator and replace them with nutritious options. When you're surrounded by healthy choices, it's easier to make healthy decisions. Prepare healthy snacks and meals in advance so you have them readily available when hunger strikes. Finally, don't be afraid to seek support from friends, family, or a registered dietitian. Having a support system can help you stay motivated and accountable. A registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance and create a meal plan tailored to your specific needs and goals. Remember, breaking free from bad habits is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your successes, and don't get discouraged by occasional setbacks.